Do you remember the time when there was going to be clients in the office and it was like a big to-do?
It was a local school. What? Dewville?
Dewville
College.
The first time a client actually wanted to come see the office.
They wanted to come in.
See for legit.
We're like, oh boy. So Andrew brought
two plastic folding tables and a king size sheet.
King size
To be
sheet.
the tablecloth. So this is our conference table.
That was our conference table. And then we had a projector that I had and like a whiteboard we tried to like project on. No, it was the actual wall, but it was too bright. So we couldn't see it. So we were covering up the windows like up top with folders, like taping folders onto the window. How did they buy from us?
They loved it. They're a proud Cadence client now, but I remember Amber is in Burlington in Vermont, and we're in Orchard Park. So I'm calling Amber. I'm like, Amber, I'm picking up a fruit tray at Wegmans. I'm trying to make this look so normal and welcoming as possible, but here are 10, 12 people from Dewville College coming up the stairs. We've got a CIO, we've got the directors, and we sit them down at this table, and they're like...
With the bed sheet.
With the bed sheet as the tablecloth and a projector. But I think they liked it, and to this day, we joke about it. You know, we get on the call, and they're like, yeah, remember that time when we came and we saw your office? And it's kind of like a badge of honor. Like, we were one of your first clients, and we got to see the old space, and...
That's true.
They made a comment years later on a call, or I think maybe we met in person at EduCause, that they knew we were for real because of that. Like there were no fancy trappings. Like we were just laser focused on what we were talking about.
We knew exactly what, like we knew more about their tech than they did. So, yeah.
Early clients, like there was a core set of things they all needed, but each one had their own needs, and it was a real juggling act trying to figure out what to attack. Doing sales calls with prospective clients at lunch or in the car. It was really an exercise in prioritization.
Just made the client feel good that they could actually do their job and help students. It made me feel good because education's extremely important to me and to a healthy society, and we help that.
All along, trying to keep the product fun, simple, engaging. Like that was a sort of a core value, right? Of having a sense of humor, not taking ourselves too seriously, making sure the product did exactly what it had to do, but in a way that was, joyful to use. It's still one of the things we try to do today.